Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Microsoft Teams on Android, pro tips step by step clearly. To use Microsoft Teams on your Android device, start by downloading the Microsoft Teams app from the Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it by tapping the Teams icon on your home screen or app drawer. You will be prompted to sign in with your work or school account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. If prompted, complete any additional authentication steps required by your organization. After signing in, familiarize yourself with the main interface. The home screen displays your recent chats, teams, and activity notifications. Tap on the Teams icon at the bottom to see all your joined teams. Select a team to access channels, where you can view conversations and shared files. To start a new chat, tap on the chat icon and select New Chat to type the name of the person you want to message. Use the text box at the bottom to enter your message and tap the send icon. You can also attach files or images by tapping the attachment icon. To join a meeting, tap on the calendar icon to view upcoming meetings. Select the meeting you want to join and tap Join to enter the virtual room. Use the camera and microphone icons to enable or disable your video and audio. While in a meeting, you can use the chat feature to send messages to all participants. If you need to share your screen, tap the three dots for more options and select Share Screen. For notifications, ensure that your app permissions are enabled in your Android settings. This will keep you updated on messages and meeting reminders. For quick access to important files, utilize the Files tab within each team. You can organize documents and resources for easy reference. Take advantage of the search function at the top to find specific messages or files quickly. To customize your settings, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. From here, you can change your status, adjust notifications, and access help resources. Explore additional tips and features to enhance your Microsoft Teams experience on Android. With these steps, you can effectively utilize Microsoft Teams for collaboration and communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.